Hello, YouTube and fellow rail fans. I don't really play Train Sim World 3 anymore, but I made some paint schemes, and I wanted to make a video of them. This is the Rio Grande one that I made. Took a while to figure out the stripes and to make the speed lettering and all that. They don't really give you much to work with in this game. But I put some, decals and try to make it look more realistic in places. And so yeah, that's my Rio Grande one. And this is gonna take a second. This is my Union Pacific paint scheme concept, my newest one anyways. Has the gray coming down, the red lines, with the Union Pacific shield in the middle. And it has the red on the bottom like they used to back in the 70s and before that. And with the silver trucks. And you got the zigzag up there. And it brings the gray down, so it makes the zigzag cooler, and then you still have a lot of gray left in the paint scheme. You've got too much yellow, and that's what's wrong with Union Pacific's paint scheme, is too much yellow. And they got one of the coolest logos of all time, and I think that's what they should use for their logo on the side of the locomotive, is just the shield. Just put the Union Pacific shield on the side. So that's one of my concepts. I don't edit, so you're gonna have to forgive me. It's been so long since I played this thing, so you're gonna have to forgive me. Oh, this was one of my first Union Pacific paint schemes. See how the stripe goes up with the nose. I was actually going to try to make wings with that. It's with the shield with the wings. I never got that far. But on the side of the locomotive, I kind of put wings like that. That was one of them. This is not necessarily the one I wanted to show you, but that's how it goes sometimes, I guess. Then there's this one with this nose design. See how it brings the gray way down like that. And then you might have to move the road numbers, you know what I mean? But yeah, this is one of my earlier paint scheme ones. See, it brings the gray way down, all the way down to the Union Pacific shield. So you got a lot of gray, you know what I mean? You got a lot more gray than you did before. So there's that one with that nose, with that zigzag. And see, it makes the front of it look pretty cool because it drops the gray down, makes it look awesome. Can't remember what this means. Oh yeah, get back. So those are my ideas for some paint schemes. This is as far as I got on an SP scheme. The top of it's a little different than a normal Southern Pacific paint scheme. I think it looks cooler. And then you have side like they did, and the riding back after Rio Grande with the speed lettering. So there's an SP one that I did. It's not complete. I don't know if I'll ever complete it. I don't play Train Sim World 3 anymore, so yeah. And this is my very first experimental scheme on Train Sim World 3. I just wanted to show it because who sees green on green like that? And on the back, it kind of looks like a squished dude, like screaming because of the sand cap and the back lights. So that kind of looks like a little dude. But yeah, that was just my first scheme I ever made on Train Sim World 3 livery designer. So that's it. Thank you, YouTube. I hope you like what you see. And then this is my absolute newest Union Pacific paint scheme, where has an arrow basically in the front, and you got the zigzag like that. So that's the newest scheme that I did. If you like them, give me a thumbs up.